Emma's town became the most beautiful place around.
Thank you, Emma.
This town has never looked so beautiful.
The flowers are everywhere.
The butterflies are my favorite. The paintbrush shouldn't belong to only me.
Really? We can use it too?
Of course.
Thank you, Emma.
Good things are even better when shared.
What should we paint first? Let's make the town even happier.
Emma shared her paintbrush with everyone. Together, they painted happiness everywhere.
I'm painting flowers. I'm painting butterflies. I'm painting a rainbow. Everyone has wonderful ideas. This is the happiest day ever.
When everyone worked together, amazing things happened. They painted kindness. When we share what we have, happiness grows. Sharing brings joy.
Hello, I am Dennis from DenzyMedia. Today I want to walk you through how you'll be able to create this type of kiss animation video. And so keep tuned and let's get started. To begin, let's go to ChatGPT. Now when you look here, I gave ChatGPT this prompt: give me kiss simple stories for video animation. Now when you look here, ChatGPT has given me 10 simple children's story ideas that work very well for animation videos. Let's look at the first one, The Lost Little Star. The second one, Benny the Brave Banana. The Magic Paintbrush. Tommy and the Talking Tree. The Little Cloud. He has given me about 10 stories that I can generate animation videos on them. So now I am going to choose the best or the one that I like. For the purpose of this video, I'll choose the story number 3, which is the Magic Paintbrush. Let's look through this story. Emma found a paintbrush in her attic. When she painted a flower, a real flower appeared. She painted butterfly, trees, and colorful balloons. Soon her town became the most beautiful place around. Emma shared her paintbrush with everyone. Together they painted happiness everywhere. What is the moral lesson? Sharing brings joy. This is a very nice story. I'm just going to copy the entire story. After copying the story from ChatGPT, I pasted it in a new tab in same ChatGPT, and I edited the story with a prompt to make sure I have my images and video generation prompt that I want to be able to generate my video. So now let's look at some of the edits that I made. I wrote, I want prompt to create a cartoon animation using photos I gave you as a reference images. The story is about the magic paintbrush. So the story continues. Then I came down here and I said, the animation should include the children's voices and emotional sounds. The scene takes place during daytime. The video must look like high quality 4K stylish cartoon animation, not realistic. You should generate detailed image prompts for every scene, matching video animation prompt for every scene, multiple cinematic camera angles, smooth animated movements, detailed water physics and environmental effects. Each scene must have its own image generation prompt, its own animation video prompt, emotional expression, camera movement description, lighting details, sound, atmosphere, character consistency. The animation style should look like stylish 3D cartoon CGI, Pixar-style quality, cinematic adventure movie, bright daytime lighting, ultra detailed 4K render quality. The final animation should be at least 40 seconds long. Don't worry, because I've added this prompt in the video description of this video, so don't worry, you can download it and also edit it to suit whatever you want to produce. So let's continue. After I hit the enter button, let's look at what ChatGPT has generated for us. So we have character consistency and we have the character description here, 8-year-old girl, and a lot, the dress she's wearing, the style and everything. Then we have the animation styles that we can also use. Then from here, we have scene 1. Let's see, we have image generation prompt and then the video generation prompt. Then we also have camera angles. So we can continue to generate images using all these camera angles. So when we get there, you understand it better. Then we have camera movement, we have the lighting, we have the sound atmosphere, then scene 2, image generation prompt, video animation prompt, camera angles, camera movement, environmental effects, sound atmosphere, dialogue. Alright, so it continues until, let's look at how many scenes we have. So we have 8 scenes. Let's start generating our images. To start generating our images and start creating videos, let's go to this AI by opening our browser. Now let's type Flow, and then we're going to select Google Flow. If you're not having an account yet, you have to create one. But if you have account already, then you have to click here, create with Google Flow. Click on new project. Here is the interface we are going to use to generate our images and our videos. To start with the image generation, we have to go back to our ChatGPT and copy the first scene prompt. Let's go to scene 1 here, and then we're going to copy this prompt, and then we go back to our flow and paste the prompt here. Alright, now let's do our settings here by clicking on this Nano Banana 2. What size do we want? We want 16:9 for YouTube. If you want for TikTok and Facebook and Instagram, then you can choose this option. For TikTok, you can choose a 9.16. Since ours is for YouTube, we're going to choose 16:9. Then how many images should it produce at a time? For now, I'm going to choose 2. Then I'll select the best from it. When I'm done, just have to click on it. This will actually takes from 30 seconds to a few minutes to generate the images. So let's wait and see the outcome. Alright, our first image is ready. Let's look at the second one. Okay, so the second one is also ready. I'm going to select the second image. So click on it to open it well. And then now we have to create different angle for this image. So to do that, let's go back to our ChatGPT and look at the camera angles. We're going to copy this one. Coming back to our flow, when you look below the picture, it asks what do you want to change. So we're going to paste this camera angle prompt and now hit on generate. It's going to take some few minutes to get our second image for scene 1. Alright, so our second image is ready. Let's click on it to download. We click here and 2K upscale. After downloading now, we have to continue this process until we have all the camera angles that we have here. So we're going to copy the second prompt, go back and paste it here and hit on generate. Now I'll click here and also download this one. I'll go back to my third prompt, copy, come back, and I'll click on paste. It generates. I'll click to download. Let me go back, copy the next prompt, come back and paste. It and generate. I'll click on this one also to download. Lastly, I'll copy the last prompt, camera angle prompt here, and I'll go back and paste. It and generate. All our image scenes for scene 1 are ready, and let's click on this folder to see how they look like. Okay, so Here are our 6 images we are going to use to generate the videos for scene 1. I'll continue to generate the scenes for 2, 3 up to scene 8. So I'm going to fast forward this video so that we move to the video generation. Let's come to ChatGPT and go to scene 2 and copy the image generation prompt here. Now since we have the reference image, let's come here and select one, and let's add our reference image by going to upload and select our folder. Then we are going to click here and select our image. To prompt. Now let's paste our scene 2. Click on generate. Wow, our scene 2 image is ready. So all that we have to do is to click here. We can open it wide and click here to download. Now that we have downloaded it, we have to continue the process by coming to the camera angle. In this case, we are going to copy the first one, go back, and then we're going to change the prompt and click on next. This one is also ready, so we'll just click here to download, go back and copy prompt 2. Now that all our images are ready, now let's move on to the most important part, where we are going to turn these still images into video. Let's go back. To generate our videos, we have to come to settings. Now switch from image generation to video by clicking here. Then we are going to use Veo. With a Veo, you can generate up to 15 videos per day by choosing Veo 3.1 light. Yeah, so I'll choose the aspect ratio, which is 16:9, and the reason why we are choosing Veo 3.1 light is that this one requires only 10 credit, whilst Veo 3.1 fast requires 20 credit. You have about 150 credit daily to generate your video, so you can generate at least 15 videos per day. Now let's keep this to 1, and then let's go to our scene 1 and upload the image for scene 1. Once the image is loading, let's go back to our ChatGPT and copy the prompts. Let's go to scene 1 and copy the video generation prompts. So here's the video generation prompt for scene 1. So we come here to copy this prompt. Then we go back, click here to add. Then now we can paste our prompt here. Let's hit on generate. While this one is generating, let's go back to ChatGPT and look at the camera movement. So we're going to generate the camera movement for the other images. So we copy and go back. Now our video is ready. Let's play it to see how best it is.
Wow, it's beautiful!
Okay. After playing the video, if everything is nice, you just have to click here and click on download and download it onto your computer. So let's go back to generate the other scenes by going to ChatGPT and copy this camera angle or this camera movement. Copy, then come back and upload our other images. Now let's add our second image and then paste our second camera angle movement. Type generate. Have patience, no refresh. When you refresh, we are going to distract the AI. So let's look at this one also.
Wow! Look at this! It's magic!
Okay, so if you're okay with this one also, you click here to download and the process continue. You have to follow this procedure to generate all your video scenes. After finishing all the video generation, you have to put all these video clips together in CapCut by arranging all your scenes according to your storyline. I hope this video helps you. Now let's watch the final video.
Wow! It's beautiful! Wow! Look at this! It's magic! Wow! It's alive! That's amazing! They're alive!
Emma painted trees that brought life and shade to the town.
Look at those trees! Wow!
Let's make this park greener. A little trunk here and lots of leaves. This is amazing! Every celebration needs balloons. Can you paint a blue one? Of course!
I want a yellow one! Catch it!
Colorful balloons filled the sky with joy.
This is amazing! We love the Magic Brush! I'm so happy everyone likes it.
Soon, Emma's town became the most beautiful place around.
Thank you, Emma.
This town has never looked so beautiful.
The flowers are everywhere.
The butterflies are my favorite. The paintbrush shouldn't belong to only me.
Really? We can use it too?
Of course!
Thank you, Emma.
Good things are even better when shared.
What should we paint first? Let's make the town even happier.
Emma shared her paintbrush with everyone. Together, they painted happiness everywhere.
I'm painting flowers. I'm painting butterflies. I'm painting a rainbow. Everyone has wonderful ideas. This is the happiest day ever.
When everyone worked together, amazing things happened. They painted kindness. When we share what we have, happiness grows. Sharing brings joy.
In the description of this video, I've added all the prompts that we have used in this video, so you can copy it and edit it to suit what you are also creating. Thank you. Follow for more. Bye.